Welcome to Videopro. We're here to help you access the latest meeting technology from the world's leading brands. Today, I'm in the Videopro rack room where our technicians configure and prepare systems for on-site deployment. I'm really excited to show you the Logitech MeetUp 2. This video conferencing camera is really going to simplify the meeting experience for both your employees and IT department. So let's get the MeetUp 2 out of the box and have a closer look at it. The Logitech MeetUp 2 is an advanced video conference solution designed specifically for small to medium-sized meeting rooms. Featuring an ultra-wide 120-degree field of view, 4K optics and built-in audio optimized for huddle spaces, the MeetUp 2 captures clear visuals and sound from every corner of the room. It includes an integrated speaker and 3 beamforming microphones that ensure participants are seen and heard with exceptional clarity. With simple USB plug-and-play functionality, it's easy to set up, making it ideal for BYOD environments where different devices and platforms are frequently used. When it comes to the Logitech MeetUp 2, 2 standout features really impressed me. First, the plug-and-play simplicity is incredibly straightforward, requiring just one USB-C cable to connect to your computer and a HDMI cable to the display. Second, the built-in AI tracking ensures seamless participant framing without additional configurations using advanced AI-driven technology. These features make the costs of deployment significantly lower compared to the standard meeting room setups. As there is no need for commissioning or complex network configurations, you can simply connect and go. The MeetUp 2 is a significant upgrade to its already impressive Logitech MeetUp. The new model enhances meeting experience with its AI-powered features. This includes improved video with AI-driven Right Sight 2 and advanced audio features like AI noise suppression through the built-in CollabOS operating system. The MeetUp 2 also features a range of capabilities such as digital signage support, a manual privacy shutter, and improved microphone pickup range. It's a versatile product that will suit a range of video conferencing needs, and its sustainable design makes it an eco-conscious choice for businesses. There's no better place to experience everything Logitech than at Videopro, Logitech's 2024 Partner of the Year. Want to see this MeetUp 2 in action? Get in touch to arrange a demonstration or shop online at videopro.com.au.